Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the online mathematics class. In the last class, we have already completed the introduction part in the perimeter and the area about the square and the rectangular. In the today's class, we will start the 11.1 exercise. Look at the first question. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of a land. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of a land are 500 meter and the 300 meter. And respectively, find its area. And the second of the question is the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land cost is 10,000. Look at the question. They have given the one rectangular and its length is 500 meter and breadth 300 meter. They ask to find the area of the rectangular. Length they are given. Length is equal to 500 meter and the breadth is equal to 300 meter. Length is equal to 500 meter. They are given the area of the rectangular. They are given the and same breadth of the rectangle is 300 meter. They ask to find the area. Area is equal to what is the formula? Length into breadth. And what is the length? 300 meter into 500 into 300 meter. And next, if you multiply, you will get the 1,50,000 meter square. You will get the 1,50,000 meter square. Area is equal to 1,50,000 meter square. They given the length and the breadth. You are finding the area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle formula? Length into breadth. 500 into 300, you will get the 1,50,000. Here, look at the second sub question. The cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land cost is 10,000. What is the question? If the 1 meter square, what is the cost of the 1 meter square? 10,000. If 1 meter square of the cost is 10,000, what is the 1,50,000 meter square? What is the cost? They ask the question. And 1 meter square cost of land is equal to 10,000 rupees. And 1,50,000 meter square cost of land is equal to don't know. Now you have to find that they give the if the 1 meter cost of the land is 10,000, what is the cost of the 1,50,000 cost of the land? They have to find the what is the cost of the 1,50,000 cost. Now 1,50,000 into 10,000 divided by 1, then you will get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 6, 7, 8. Take on the you need 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 1 million. What is the answer? The cost of the $1,50,000 meter square is rupees. Then you get the answer. The cost of the 1,50,000 is 1 million 50 lakh. 1 million 50 lakh. You get the answer. Now I completed the first question. Look at the second question. Look at the second question. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320. They given the park in the perimeter total perimeter is, you get the 320 meters. You get the total perimeter of the park is 320. First you should find the one side of the park perimeter. One side of the park perimeter. How to find, to get here? The perimeter of the park is 320 meter. 320 meter. First you should find the one side of the perimeter. What is the formula of the perimeter? The perimeter of the formula is 4a. Perimeter of the square is 4a. They give me total perimeter. 4a is equal to 320. 4a is equal to 320. Then a in the constant, 320. 4 comes in the denominator place. Then a is equal to, will get the 4 1 ja, 4 8 ja, will get the 80 meter square. Will get the 80 meter. Will get the 80 meter. Now they asked to find the area of the square. What is the formula of the area? Now already know the one side formula. Already know the one side of the perimeter. What is the side of the perimeter? You got the 80 meters. Now they asked to find the area of the square. Area of the square is equal to side square, or you can say that a square, already you know the 8 square, 80 square. Then you will get the, how much will you get the 6,400 meter square. Then you will get the answer is 6,400 meter square. The area of the square park is 6,400 meter square. 6,400 meter square. Look at the third problem. Find the breadth of a rectangular. Plot of a land. Its area is 420 meter square. And the length is 22 meter. Also find the perimeter. Given they are given the area of the rectangular. How much they are given? 440 meter square. 440 meter square. And they are given the length of the rectangular. How much they given the length? 22 meters. They asked to find the breadth of the rectangle. First you should find the breadth of the rectangular. We don't know. You have to find the, before you are finding the perimeter of the rectangular, first you should find the breadth of the rectangular. Already you know the formula is equal to, area is equal to length into breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth. Take for example, they are given the rectangle. In the rectangular, they have given the area. Area is equal to 440 meter square. Consider A, B, and C and D. The given rectangle, they given the area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? 440 meter square, and also they given the length of the area, length of the rectangle. Length is equal to 22 meter. They asked to find the breadth of the rectangular. After that, asked to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle. First, you should find the breadth of the rectangle. Already we know what is the formula of the area. What is the formula of the area? Length into breadth. They are given the area 440 and length 22. We don't know the breadth. We don't know the breadth. And 440 is equal to 22 comes in the denominator place. We get the 22, but as it is, and you will get the answer 20. Breadth is equal to 20. What is the length of the breadth? What is the length of the breadth? Breadth is equal to, you get the 20 meter. But what is the measurement? You get the 20 meter. You get the measurement. And next they asked, we already got the breadth and the length. What is the length? 22 meters. We got the length. As same that we got the breadth is equal to 20 meters. We got the 20 meters. And now they asked to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Already we know that what is the perimeter of the rectangle formula? Perimeter is equal to 2 bracket L plus B, means 2 bracket length plus breadth. 2 as it is. What is the length? 22 plus breadth. You will get the 20. You will get the 42, and we will get the 84 meter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? We will get the perimeter of the rectangle is is 84 meter. First they given the length of the rectangle and they also given the area of the rectangle. First you should find the breadth of the rectangle. After finding when we will get the breadth, after you should find the perimeter of the rectangle. Already you know the formula of the perimeter, 2 bracket length plus breadth. Already you know that the 2 bracket length into breadth, or 2 bracket length plus breadth. This is the formula of the perimeter. Now you should find the, already you got the, if you are calculating this, you will get the 84 meter. In the next class we will continue the 4th and the 5th problem. Thank you.